Hi guys, this is Premstar14 and welcome to Dubai in 45 degrees Celsius. So today is the world premiere of Fast and Furious 10, the Fast X movie. So the members of SUPERCARS Majlis have gathered up over here. So let's go through the cars that have come here. So first over there we have a beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Evo in a beautiful shade. Over here there is a Ferrari 458 Spider. Next to it over here is the 50th anniversary special Lamborghini Aventador. It's the LP720-4, unlike the LP700-4 the other models were. Beautiful alloys right here. Over here a Ferrari 488. Over here we have a Ferrari F12 with Novitec parts. It's called the F12 N Largo. And you can see the Novitec seats inside. Basically the entire car is Novitec and it sounds beautiful. Over here we have a beautiful McLaren 650S in a beautiful shade of volcano red. Over here we have a GT3, Huracan Evo Spider, a Huracan over here, a 992 Cabriolet. Over here we have a 720S, a California T, another California T, a regular California, a GT3 RS. Guys, this one is a very special one. It is a Lamborghini Huracan. It's the Lamborghini Huracan, but it is twin turbocharged. That means this is pushing out about 2000 horsepower. It is basically a drag killer. This is actually faster than the Bugatti Chiron. Just look at the front, fully carbon fiber, beautiful. Another GT3 RS, a 458, a 488 Pista, Ferrari 812. We have another Huracan over here, Huracan Spider, a 458, and guys look at the number. This is our friends Pranav's Urus right here, and this is also fun friends Lamborghini Aventador S. We are going to make some sick content with this cars. A F8 Ferrari F8 Tributo, a McLaren 720S, AMG GTR Pro. Look at this beautiful SVJ right here, and the shade on the Pista, the Viola Hong Kong, and the fully exposed carbon fiber alloys look amazing. Beautiful cars we have here, guys. And also another purple Ferrari. The number is amazing. We have an Aston Martin Vantage, a Huracan Evo. We have a Baleno right here. We have another Ferrari F12 Novitec. It's called the N Largo. 458, a Turbo S, a 650S, a 911 Turbo S right there, and the Porsche GT3. What a beautiful lineup of cars we have over here. You can see, guys, I'm sweating like anything. And on the other side we have a very special cars as well. We have a Bugatti Veyron that's come, so let's go check that out. Just look at that, we have a very special car that has come, the Ferrari SP2 Monza. Just look at this thing, guys. Crazy. This is the Ferrari Monza SP2. Just look at the, so beautiful. Wow. So guys, all the cars are leaving now and the parade is going to start. I'm going to hop into the Urus right here. We have some amazing cars over here, guys. Just look at the shade on this Pista. Crazy.